Okay, so here's the humidifier I got. Has a remote control. I've got it set on low mist level, but you can definitely crank it up. You can kind of see it against. I guess you can't. My wall is white, so or off-white, so you can't really see the mist. But you can also set a sleep timer, and you can have it on auto settings. Turn up the humidity, warm it. There you go. Now you can maybe see it. Nope, still can't. They were kind of. Anyway, there's a lot of stuff coming out of there. It's pretty cool. It does a lot. You can do it with remote control, which is a bonus. You don't have to get out of bed. And yeah, it works great. So if you have the humidity and the mist turned up, like cranked up high, it's not going to last you through the night. But if you have it at like medium settings or low settings, it'll last for quite a while. All right, thank you.